we've successfully carried out the Vilnius sign project. Yeah, this is the first sign we've got from Lithuania. And it's straight away the capital city. Awesome. Absolutely great trip, isn't it, Katie, matey?
Very cold.
It is very cold, it's like -8. But it's beautiful weather. It's just look at this. Snowing, crisp blue sky. It's just that market is amazing. But anyway,
Cold
so
and hungry.
we are
Let's
going
go.
to the town center, city center, town center. We're gonna see Vilnius. Because sign hunting is not about sign only, but it's also about everything else, literally.
It's about exploring the place.
Exploring everything.
Yeah, and eating, which is what I
Drinking.
like to do.
We need to get some Lithuanian vodka. Or gin. Or sip any spirit.
Does Lithuania know we have vodka?
Of course they have.